Hello universe, welcome to Angels AI, and let's quickly continue our topic. And in the previous class we have learned about what is background repeat. So what we are going to learn today is something more important, that is background attachment. What is background attachment? It is actually like you have three values for it. It can be fixed, it can be local, or it can scroll. Alright, so how can you do that? What does it mean? Background attachment is just like, if we want any example, let's say if I have an example. Background attachment is for those if you try to scroll any website but the background is remaining to be the same, that is the thing that you can see as background attachment to be fixed. Okay, when this is fixed, no matter how much data you have on the above, let's say I have, okay, let me create one. Okay, so let me create a paragraph in which I'm going to add 500. Okay, so means 500 words or 500 letters I have added, and again I'm going to add more, let's say 1000, and I'm getting more and more text. Okay, so I've saved it, and as I go, I can you can see that the text is here. And but if I scroll, you can see over here, the more I scroll, the image is at the same part. Okay, so that is why is that happening? Because of the background attachment is fixed. What if I just comment this out for a moment and see what happens? The moment I scroll, the image is also getting scrolled. So that is the beauty. Okay, the beauty of that CSS property. So what if I keep it to be fixed? Nothing will scroll. Only the what you can say, the all the data above that image is scrolling. The rest of the piece of the images are still there. So that is the beauty. And you can also create amazing effects with this CSS property. So I hope that you understood this, and I'll see you in the next one.